In this video, I will show you how to insert speech bubble in Microsoft Excel. So insert, then shape, and here you will see this type of speech bubble. Select any type and draw. Now stretch this yellow point, double click in this shape and type your text. Make changes as you need, like size, color. Select text and make it center. Also, you can make it once you click on shape format. So here are some more styles. Shape fill, so select no fill. Shape outline, so select 3 point. You can insert another style. Select this yellow point. Same, you can type your text here. In shape format, you can change style. So thanks for watching.